Hey there, savvy investors! Are you ready to dive into the world of fractional shares but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm breaking down the best apps for fractional shares. But before we jump in, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special discount. Alright, let's get started. First up, we've got Robinhood. Now, Robinhood has been making waves for a while now, and it's no surprise why. Their user-friendly interface makes it super easy to buy and sell fractional shares. And the best part? No commission fees. I mean, who doesn't love free trading? Plus, they offer real-time market data, which is a huge plus for making informed decisions. Next on the list is M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a bit of a powerhouse when it comes to fractional shares. They offer a unique pie investing approach, which lets you create your own custom portfolios. It's like building your own investment pizza, and with their automated rebalancing, you can set it and forget it. Talk about a stress-free way to invest. Moving on, let's talk about Stash. Stash is perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the investing world. They offer educational content and tips to help you grow your portfolio. Plus, with their fractional shares, you can start investing with as little as $1. That's right, just $1. And they even have a rewards program that lets you earn stock when you shop with certain brands. It's like getting paid to invest. Now, we can't forget about Fidelity. Fidelity is a well-known name in the financial world, and for good reason. Their fractional share offering, known as Stocks by the Slice, lets you buy and sell portions of your favorite stocks for as little as $1. And with their robust research tools and customer service, you're in good hands. Last but not least, we have Schwab Stock Slices. Charles Schwab offers a straightforward approach to fractional shares. You can buy slices of any stock in the S&P 500 for as little as $5. Plus, their intuitive platform and extensive resources make it a solid choice for investors of all levels. So there you have it, 5 fantastic apps for fractional shares. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's an app for you. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your special offer. Happy investing! And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investment tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.